Hi, this will be a quick demonstration in how to work with dates using Excel. Now looking at the class spreadsheet, we'll see there's one column that is a date, and this is where everyone says their birthday. And when we imported this from the survey website, Excel automatically recognized that this was this is a date and put it in date format, right? And you can actually change that formatting. If you right-click on the area and then go to Format Cells, see right now it's in date like that. You know, do it date like this if we want. We can have it do date like that. All right, so that's sort of cool. But the way that Excel actually remembers what this information is not as a date per se, but as a number. And I'm going to change the formatting on this to number, and you can see. Now, what that number corresponds to is actually the number of days since 1900 that particular date fell on. And knowing that allows you to do some stuff. You can start doing some math with dates, remembering this. So if we know that this person was born on the 32nd thousandth day after 1900, and we know that today is let's say the 40,000th day after 1900, we can figure out how old that person is by figuring out how many days passed between then and now. And now this is actually a really useful function in Excel, knowing this is useful, because you can use this to figure out ages, you can use this to figure out lengths of employment. If you have an inspection date, you can use this to figure out if the inspection took place in a particular time frame. So, and you can even use this if you want to start thinking about averages or figuring out medians on dates and stuff like that. So it's important to remember, I don't know, kind of cool stuff. Okay, so to use this birthday to figure out how old people were, or to figure out age, the first thing we need to do is insert a column where we're going to be doing our work. I'm going to label this age. Now this is going to become a subtraction problem. We want to know the amount of days that have passed between the date of someone's birth and whatever day we're saying their birthday's on. And for this exercise, let's use the date January 1st, 2015. I put it in as a date, and Excel turned it into a number. If it's not doing it automatically, you can toggle back and forth between the formatting up here or with that right click. So it is a formula equals to, so Excel knows we're doing a formula, 40543 minus, and I'm going to hit return. Huh. 8,306. Well, that's their age, but it's their age in days, not age in years, right? Because the birthday was in days, today's date was in days, so it was a different amount of time in days. To turn days into years. How many days are in a year? 365. So we're dividing by 365, and I'm actually going to divide by 365 and a quarter because there are leap years. 1 in every 4. More like it. 22.76. I'm just going to edit fill down, or do that, but fill it down. And we see that everyone as of January 1st is over 20.